Hi everybody, myself Ramesh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today especially we will talk about the JL Chemistry exam pattern and syllabus. The TSPSC like Telangana government already released the notification. Everyone is preparing in for a junior college lecturer especially in chemistry. So today class we will discuss about the exam pattern and syllabus and the previous year some of the important bits we will discuss today class slide by slide. You can see the first one slide, the junior college lecturer chemistry exam pattern and syllabus, and you can see the first one, Telangana State Public Service Commission TSPSC released the junior college lecturer chemistry syllabus. We will see the first one, exam pattern. You can see the exam pattern and syllabus for the screening test. Especially you can see the pattern of screening test or the paper is the two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is the general studies and the general abilities. Paper 1 is carry 150 marks and the duration is the 150. The total marks is the 150 marks. And you can see the paper 2 chemistry like PG level they will ask you question. Especially you can see the 150 questions and the duration is the 150 and the total marks is the 300, means each one carry 2 marks. You can see the paper 1 contains 150 multiple choice questions. Each questions carry 1 marks and printed in English and Telugu version paper will be available. And you can see the paper 2 contains 150 questions and internal choice are there like MCQ questions, multiple choice question. Each questions carry the 2 marks. The candidates it can write the answer in question paper is available in English and Telugu. So paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is the common to all people who are writing in JL for all subject. You can see the paper 2 especially for the depending on the subject. You can see the specialization. And you can see the paper 1 syllabus. Paper 1 syllabus, paper 1 is the complete objective type. Paper 1 is the general studies and general abilities. There are the few topics I was mentioned here. You can see the first one topic is the current affairs like regional, national and international levels. They will ask you questions. Second one topic is the international relation and events. Third one topic is the general science like India's achievement in science and technology. Fourth one topic is the environment issues like disaster management, prevention and mitigation strategies. And fifth one topic is economics and social development of India and Telangana. Sixth one topic physical, social and economic geography of India. And seventh one topic physical, social and economic geography and the demography of Telangana. These are the few of the topics, and you can see the next one some more few topics in paper 1, general studies and general abilities. You can see the eighth one topic is socio and economic, political and cultural history of modern India with special focus on Indian national movement. And you can see the ninth one topic is the special focus on the socio-economic, political and cultural history of Telangana state movement and formation of Telangana state. 10th one topic is constitutions of India political system, governance and public policy. And you can see the 11th one topic is the social exclusion, right issues and policies like gender, caste, tribes, disabilities, etc. These social exclusions bits will ask you. And 12th one topic is society, culture, heritage, arts and literature of Telangana. 13th one topic is the Telangana state policies. 14th topic is logical reasoning and analytical ability and data interpretation. And 15th one, like last one topic of paper 1 is the basic English, like 10th standard they will ask you question grammars, vowels like a and the, prepositions, parts of speech and correct the sentence, comprehensive passages. These kind of the English 10th standard they will ask you in question. These are the 15th main topics for the paper 1 general and ability paper. You can prepare well in paper 1, you will be HU easily. You can see now topics the special like which subject you are being writing in exam. You can see suppose today we will discuss about the paper especially in chemistry. Paper 2 is the objective type questions. So these are the especially in chemistry part. You can see the organic physical chemistry and inorganic chemistry. You can see the inorganic chemistry, the first one topic in organic chemistry syllabus, the first one topic is atomic structure and chemical bonding. And next topic is the chemistry of main groups like first to sixth group and noble gases elements. And third one topic is the chemistry of transition elements and the inner transition elements, general principle of metallurgy and coordination chemistry, stability of metal complex, reaction mechanism of metal complex, and next one is the metal carbonyls, nitrosyl and metallone structure, and bio or inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry. These are the syllabus for the JL inorganic chemistry. Now we can see the next is the physical chemistry. The physical chemistry main topics, the bits will be comes from these topics, especially solutions and colligative properties, and the acids and bases, thermodynamic, electrochemistry, quantum chemistry, and chemical kinetics, photochemistry, solid state chemistry. These are the main topics, and especially in physical chemistry. You can now we will go for the move on to the organic chemistry. You can see little bit of organic chemistry is somewhat more topics you need to cover for preparation of JL. IUPS, International Union for and Applied Chemistry, nomenclature of organic molecules and the isomers, like classification of isomers, and classification, preparation and properties of alkenes, alkynes, arynes, they will ask you, and cycloalkanes and the aromatic hydrocarbons, halogen compound, hydroxy compounds. You can see the carbonyl compounds, carboxylic acids and its derivatives. And next one you can see, especially in organic chemistry, stereochemistry are the more important. Stereochemistry, introduction, confirmation of isomerism, nature of bonding in organic molecules and aromaticity, and reactive intermediates, organic reaction mechanism, oxidation, reduction, heterocyclic chemistry, and alkalides and terpenoids. These are the few topics in organic. You can see some more few topic in organic. Organic photochemistry, pericyclic reactions are very important, like when you see the organic like basic principle concept of UV spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, proton NMR, C13 NMR and mass spectroscopy methods are especially for the structure determination of organic compounds by using UV spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, proton NMR and C13 NMR and mass spectroscopy methods. And next to last one topic is the green chemistry. Also they will ask you 2-3 bits is from green chemistry. You will need to focus on the green chemistry. These are the main topics for JL preparation of chemistry in organic and organic and physical chemistry main topics. And these topics you need to thoroughly prepare for the JL. And you can see the next one, some of the model bits I was mentioned here. You can see the proteins, like I was focused on the biomolecules. Biomolecules are the one of the topic of in chemistry, so most of the bits will come from biomolecules. You can see the proteins are polypeptides of, here given the 4 choice. You can see alpha amino acids, beta amino acids, alpha hydroxy acids, beta hydroxy acids. So the proteins are the polypeptides of alpha amino acids. So the correct answer is alpha amino acids. Second one bit is the main structure feature of protein is ether linkage, ester linkage, peptide linkage, all the 3 above. So C is the correct answer. Peptide linkage is the correct answer. And third one is the amino acids are the building blocks of carbohydrates, vitamins, fats and proteins. So third one is the correct answer is the proteins are the building blocks of amino acids. Now we will move on to the fourth one bit. You can see antibodies are the carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and enzymes. So antibodies are the mainly proteins. So correct answer is the B, proteins. Enzymes are fatty acids, vitamins, proteins and none of these. You can see enzymes all are the mostly proteins. And you can see sixth one bit, which of the following is not an protein. Here is given the 4 choice, which is wool is the protein, nail is protein, hair also protein, but DNA is not a protein. So DNA is the correct answer. Seventh one bit, the helical structure of proteins is stabilized by peptide bonds, dipeptide bonds, hydrogen bonds, van der Waals force. So the most of the proteins are the 3 kind of structure. You can see primary structure, secondary and tertiary structure. The protein structures mostly stabilized by the hydrogen bonds. Helical structures are stabilized by hydrogen bonds. And next you can see the 8th one bit, which of the following is the sweetest sugar. So you can see here is a 4 choice, sucrose, glucose, fructose and maltose. So which of the following is the sweetest sugar is the fructose. Fructose is the correct answer. And 9th one, rice is deficiency in lysine, alanine, glycine, leucine. So the rice is the deficiency of lysine, one of the amino acids. So the 10th one bit is the protein responsible for blood clotting is called albumin, globulin, fibrin or fibrinosin. So the D1 is the correct answer. Next one you can see the 11th one bit is the disease diabetes mellitus caused by the deficiency of iodine, insulin, phenylalanine hydroxylase or the lysine. So insulin is the one of the deficiency of the patients. That's why those patients will call diabetes mellitus patients, like sugar patients. So because of lacking of like insulin, deficiency of insulin, diabetes mellitus. Now you can see here 12th one bit, you can see here the number of polypeptide chains present in the molecules of hemoglobin is. So one of the hemoglobin, how many polypeptides are present? 4 or 1, 2 or 6. So 4 is the correct answer. 4 polypeptide chains are present in the hemoglobin protein. Next one is the vitamin A is called ascorbic acid, retinol, calciferol or the tocopherol. So vitamin A is nothing but also we will call retinol, like especially in eyes. Which of the following gives the maximum energy in metabolic process? So proteins, vitamins, lipids and carbohydrates. So lipids are the give the more like maximum energy for metabolic process. Now we can see here the enzymes pepsin hydrolyze or the proteins to amino acids, fats to fatty acids, glucose to ethyl alcohol, polysaccharides to monosaccharide. So enzymes pepsins hydrolyze is the proteins to amino acid is the correct answer. Now we can see here the 16th bit 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenyl is an dash acid dye, basic dye, azo dye, VAT dye. So like the A is the correct answer. Acid dyes are the 1, 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenyl is the acid dye. Aspirin is an gas kind of like medicines, nothing but of drug. You can say antibiotic or the antipyretic, antiseptic, none of these. So aspirin is the nothing but of salicylic acid. These are the antipyretic agents. Next one you can see 18th one is the graphites. So graphite is a good conductor and sp2 hybridization and amorphous solids and covalent structure. So in 18th one is the 4 options are the correct. That's what I was given in blue color. Next one you can see some of the fill in the blanks I have also mentioned here. Enzymes all are dash proteins. All enzymes are the like globular proteins. So once the protein denaturation, it involves the conversion of globular into fibrous protein. Like globular proteins convert into fibers. Once the protein will goes into the denaturation by various factors like temperature, chemicals interaction, other things. And you can see the most of the amino acids exist as deuterion. Deuterion may like positive and negative charge. So the prosthetic group of nucleoprotein is called nucleic acid. So nucleic acid is the right answer. The chemical formula of rust is the Fe2O3 and this is a carboxylic acid group detected by sodium bicarbonate. Vitamin A also you call as the retinol, and the cancer is the caused by the uncontrolled growth of the cells. Aspirin is hydrolysis of body gives the salicylic acid on ulcer, and the example of anti-freezing compound the glycol, ethanol and glycerol. And ozone is the powerful one of the oxidizing agent. Toluenes are the ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. And you can see here I was wrote one of the few questions like yes, diet is consisting of mainly rice, adequate to diet, why or why not. I can see that rice is don't have a like lysine and threonine, one of the amino acid. That's what you need to take others. And which alpha amino acids contain cross-link peptide chains. So cysteine, one of the amino acids through the disulfide bonds, and cross-linking disulfide bonds will form into the peptide chains. Like orientation of same peptide chains or the different peptide chains will be formed. And really if you like this video, please like, share and comment. Next video we will discuss briefly about the few of the bits repeated who in previous year model paper of JL chemistry. So thank you your for kind attention. Please like, share and comment. You will see the next video by the